Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check your RAM speed on a Windows 11 computer. Let's dive right in. The first method is super simple. Start by opening the Start menu, typing Task Manager and clicking on it. Once Task Manager is open, go to the Performance tab on the left-hand side and select Memory. Here, you'll find all the information about your RAM. Scroll down and under the Speed section you'll see your RAM speed displayed. For example, it might say 5600 MHz. You can also hover over slots used to learn more about how your RAM is allocated across your system. The second method uses Command Prompt. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command: wmic memorychip get speed, then press Enter. This will display the speed of your RAM in MHz, matching what you saw in Task Manager. For instance, you might see a speed of 5600 depending on your system's configuration. And that's it. 2 simple ways to check your RAM speed in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.